Hey folks, it's Mangrel. Welcome back to the channel. I want to attempt a repair on my BetaFPV Pavo 20 Pro, which blew up because I plugged in the battery backwards. In my review video of the Pavo 20 Pro, I mentioned being very careful when plugging in the battery because this connector does allow you to plug in the battery backwards. And if you do that, you will end up damaging this flight controller here. Even the BetaFPV website does call out a cautionary note to make sure you plug in this correctly. So you can see on mine here, this component did actually explode and it's completely missing. Now this component here is a R001 resistor, and I did try powering this on using the USB port. So I plugged this into my computer, the lights did turn on, and I was able to access this through Betaflight. Now if I try plugging in the battery, and let's make sure we plug in this battery correctly. If I plug the battery in, you see that nothing happens. It's almost like it's getting no power whatsoever. So if yours has this problem, it's possible that this is the component that blew up. I went to AliExpress and I found the closest resistor I could. It's a 1206 size 1 watt R001 resistor, and you can see it comes in a huge roll of 50 pieces. I will give you a link in the video description to where you can get this as well. I've got the replacement resistor installed. I used my tweezers to hold it down, and then I soldered each side individually. And this 1206 does look like the right size, perhaps a tiny bit too small, but it does fit in there okay. Now, moment of truth, let's go ahead and plug it in. I'm going to do this live on camera. I'm going to hide behind the camera just in case this thing does blow up. And I'm going to make sure it's positive to positive. I don't want to repeat. Oh, it's alive. And the quad is put back together. Let's do a final check and then we will go ahead and do a test flight. Let me plug it back in again. I want to double check. Red to red, black to black. Let's plug it back in. 1, 2, 3, please don't explode. Okay, that sounds promising. Will the controller connect? Come on.
Telemetry recovered.
Okay, we're in business. Let's do a quick arm test over here. Will it arm? Ooh, this is good. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Uh-oh. Back. Yep. Forward. Good. All right, let's do a test flight. Okay, let's do a quick test in the backyard. You can see winter weather's here. So far, actually, this is looking perfect. I don't see, oh, I see one issue. The amp draw does not look correct. It seems to have become either miscalibrated or possible that when we burnt out that resistor, we also burnt out the current sensing circuit, because I see it stuck at 1.4, 1.5. Yeah, you see if I give it a little bit of throttle, it doesn't move. No, okay, unfortunately, it's not perfect, but it is flying. Okay, let's squeeze through here. And as you can see, the Pavo 20 Pro continues to be a great flyer. So I'm quite happy with this. Not perfect because we lost the current sensing, but that's a nice to have anyway. The fact that we don't have to go and buy a new Pavo 20 Pro or buy a new flight controller. And I think those pack of resistors cost me like $1, $2, if even that. So this is great. Yeah, happy with it. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for more videos.